Guys, this annoys the crap out of me. Hold on. So I was just, eating my food for dinner since my mom's not home. And guess what I found? Pretty normal, right? Until you see... Okay, so there's 92 forks and 92 spoons, right? This is what makes me angry. You ready? It changes. It doesn't change it drastically, but it changes it. Why? I mean, why on God's green earth? Okay, look. Just so I'm not lying. 92 forks, 92 spoons. Why would you not just put one more knife in there? Why? And look, it would change the count from 275 to 276 because of that one knife. Why couldn't you make it an even number? This is blasphemy! Ah! I swear, Mickey Mouse, if you did this, I'm gonna sue you. Just like I sued your grandma for $20,000. Sorry, I'm just a wee bit aggravated at this. I literally don't understand why they couldn't do that. Yes, of course, we have been using it. We haven't used any of the knives. And I can show you. Look, it says that. Might not be able to see that one. All over this box. Like, what the frick were they thinking? I'm going to use your product and I'm going to shove it up your nose. Fix it!